is a quick review of the GVO EARS. They are replacement headphones for the Corsair HS60. I really enjoy the comfort and the sound from my Corsair 60s. They have some problems. The volume thing here at this point has gotten a little bit wonky, where sometimes when you increase or decrease an earpiece, one or both will cut out. Now I've had these for probably 4 years, but so you know, you can certainly be okay with some wear and tear. But as you see, the ear pads have quite worn. I've done some things to kind of string them along, including using some double stick adhesive, because this whole side came off on me the other night, as well as some other little tricks to try to keep them held together. But yeah, so I bought these replacement earphone thingies, and we're going to see if they'll go on nice and easy. Open them up here in a package. It also comes with, looks like some wipes. No adhesives. These should just pop off and then pop the new ones on, honestly. We'll go ahead and take them out of the package here. Probably after, assuming these work, should the next time come around that they need replaced, I'm just going to buy a whole new set of earphones here. But right now we'll try and string along a little bit longer. They were, I believe, about 10 bucks on Amazon, so not a crazy price. These, like I said, are just snapped on usually. Let's see if we can pop them off there. There we go. So you can see, here's the back side of one versus the other. Yeah, and see both sides have problems, although the other side was far worse. Alright, let's see here. Get the other side off here. There we go. And they gave us some wipes. I guess we might as well use them, huh? That says wet and then dry. Interesting. That's kind of fun. Let's see here. It's wet. I don't see any evidence of adhesive really on anything. I say these wipes are kind of nice, but they are dinky. Very dinky. But they appear to be doing the job. It comes with 2 pairs, so you can use one on one side and one on the other, but this should be fine. Alright, so there's our little, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there's these little notches all the way around that help hold the earpiece in place. Oh, here's the, I hope they snap on here. Not yet. Definitely not easily. And I guess I don't care too much how hard they are to go on, so long as they actually stay on. I'd feel more comfortable if it snapped in a little closer. There we go. Alright, that is one side down. And then, yeah, side 2. There we go. Nice snaps there. That is reassuring, I have to say. Okay, knowing how aggressive I could be, that second side went on a little bit easier for me. Okay. I will say these look fatter than the originals. To be fair, they're beat down off, obviously. I'd say another maybe 4, maybe 5 millimeters thicker. Let me slide these on. Sorry, it'll be off camera there. Oh, they feel great. They feel real good. Yeah, so overall, I give 5 stars. Not only did they go on pretty well, they feel good, and they gave you some nice wipes to kind of help clean things up for yourself before you actually snap them on there. And while the snap-on was a bit tough, hopefully that gives me some reassurance that it'll also be very difficult for them to snap back off again on me. Alright, well, thank you for watching another episode of Stolen's Reviews. I hope if you need something like this, that this review will help you find what you need. Please like and subscribe, and please consider becoming a patron on my Patreon, patron on my Patreon, so I can review more things for you. Thank you.